Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back.
Demand links outputs to inputs fast, and this question is really asking how higher corn demand changes the market price of harvesting machines. Start with derived demand. Machines are inputs, so people want them because they help produce corn, the output. That means input demand depends on demand for the final product. When demand for corn rises, producers want to supply more corn. To do that, they need more machines for gathering it, so demand for those machines shifts right. That higher demand for the input raises the machine price, not lowers it. So the statement that matches the relationship is option A.
Well done! Option A, scan now, watch signs, and avoid rushing. Trust what is given, then check each step before locking the relationship in.